Did you have any idea of what you wanted to do, or was it more just based on purpose and you knew that it was going to kind of evolve as you walked toward it? No?
No, and it was like I had to strip down these layers of what what was I leaning towards or researching because of other people's expectations? What was I looking at because of my own expectations for myself that were maybe driven by things that weren't my sense of purpose anymore, but just obligation? I couldn't answer the question in many cases. What were things I wanted to do versus is this just me meeting an expectation? And I think I had somebody tell me facing a big career transition, treat it like a research project. Do not ever let, I had a coach and I'm a big proponent for coaches. And it was a coach I worked with for a bit. And he said, like, do not answer. When people say, what do you want to do? Don't answer. Don't give them the courtesy of that answer because then you're creating expectation. And the answer is, I don't know, because I've been stuck in a military uniform and system that I am so grateful for, but it gives me so many blind spots. I don't know what's out there. I don't know what else exists. And until I try some things, learn some things, and explore the ecosystem, I can't answer that question. And if I had answered it with all the assumptions I had while wearing a uniform, I wouldn't be where I am today. And it would have been more comfortable and safe, probably, when we talk
Hmm.
about being in those uncomfortable moments. I tried a lot of things, and there were things that I realized I was excited about when I saw them pop up on my calendar. There were things that I kind of just didn't want to see there anymore. And I started to just shift and tweak. And I had more of a portfolio of work than a typical W-2 job because my husband's job moved us across the country unexpectedly. So some of those life change things that I could have just been angry about because it definitely stepped me away from some things I thought I was supposed to do. Give it a few months, and I was like, oh, I don't think I would have been fulfilled doing that anyway. And it kept leading me towards the things I was meant to do. Wasn't It wasn't always pretty, and there were moments where I felt very uncomfortable in that transition. But then you look back, everybody says hindsight 2020, right? I go, that's why, like, that one needed to be an aggressive band-aid rip, or I never would have walked away from it.